What's going on, everybody? This is Bull Run Crypto, and today we're going to explain what is cryptocurrency. So if you're new to cryptocurrency and you wanted to know this question, this video will answer all of those questions really quickly. So let's go ahead and take a deep dive into the questions here. So first up, we're just going to use ChatGPT and give you a really simple breakdown, and then we'll get into a little bit more specifics. But what is cryptocurrency? So first thing you need to know is it is a cryptography currency. That's crypto. That's what crypto stands for, cryptography. And because it's cryptography, it's secured through the cryptography. So cryptocurrency, crypto is a type of digital currency that uses blockchain technology. So blockchain is the actual technology that is used for the digital currency that is known as cryptography. Now, there are other alternatives. There's been IOTA, which uses a different technology. There's also Hashgraph, which is Hedera, and you'll see some of those coins out there, but mostly blockchain technology is what's being used. Now, unlike traditional money, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. No government or central authority controls them. So unless you hear this conversation about digital currencies backed by a nation state, like, I don't know, Europe was trying to do a centralized stable coin, CBDC as they call it, but as of right now, Bitcoin is not controlled by any government. It's controlled by a group or a network of holders, right? And you can see right here, it is secured using cryptography for transactions. It's global, can be sent and received anywhere in the world. Bitcoin being one of the first ones, it's not as fast as some of the newer ones like, say, XRP or Solana. Even Ethereum's a bit slow. So as the technology continues to evolve, it gets a little bit faster for processing. I believe you can send XRP nearly instantaneously, and that's a big thing because they can do it in volume, more transactions per second. Bitcoin's a bit slow with that. Now you have transparent. All transactions are recorded on a public ledger blockchain. You can actually see the wallets, you can see how much coins they hold, how much money's in there as a matter of public ledger. It doesn't say the name, but it does say the public address, which through other forms of guidelines, you can actually pull up who owns that wallet. How does cryptocurrency work? So cryptocurrencies are run on a blockchain, which is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. So some of them are mining, some of them are staking. Staking, proof of stake, is basically you show that you hold the coins, and then every month, whatever the percentage is, that those holders get new coins, newly minted coins. For example, Solana on, say, Coinbase is like 7 to 10%. I don't know the exact number right now, but every month or ever so often you get 7% of the coins. Okay, so if you hold 50 coins, what's 7% of 50 coins? And that would be what you're getting, and that's proof of stake. Mining is where they use a lot of power, like Bitcoin uses a lot of power to produce new coins. That's what you have with proof of mining, proof of work as they call it, and that's Bitcoin. Now, it is decentralized. No single company or government controls it. It's immutable. Transactions cannot be changed once confirmed. One of the problems that we've had is a lot of the Bitcoin over time has become lost on wallets. They got damaged, or private keys they got lost, and it's impossible to recover that as of right now. There are conversations about how to possibly recover that, but as of now, that money is gone forever. So once you send the transactions, there's no reversing it. They are working on technologies to be able to reverse it, though. Kind of like if you were to send money to a scammer, and the bank, you need to contact the bank and they could get your money back, right? So there's going to have to be that, because there are going to be bad actors out there who will try and take advantage or exploit the system. Transparent. Anyone can verify transactions on the blockchain. So some of the most popular cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin. Okay, it's the first and most well-known, often called the digital gold. Then you have Ethereum, a platform for smart contracts and decentralized apps. Vitalik created this. This was one of the first cryptocurrencies that actually developed a layer on top of digital assets, and those are called decentralized applications, similar to what you would see with Android or Apple iOS. Then you have Tether, which is a stable coin. It's pegged to the US dollar. You have Binance, used for trading fees and transactions on the Binance network, Binance being the largest exchange in the world. Solana, a high-speed blockchain for NFTs and DeFi. XRP, used for fast, low-cost international payments. So XRP is being talked about possibly replacing SWIFT. How do people use it? Well, investing. That's what most people do with it. They buy it and they hold it for a long period of time. Me personally, I bought my first Bitcoin back in 2015. I haven't sold pretty much any time. I haven't needed to. It's been better to hold and not sell. Because when I bought it, it was $600. Well, right now, Bitcoin at the time I'm making this is around $95,000. You can see right here. So it's been advantageous to just buy and hold. That's why it gets its name, digital gold. Payments, it's possibly going to be used for payments. You're seeing that with XRP, the conversation with USDC, which is a stablecoin, USDT. It hasn't quite got to that point, but there are cards out there on crypto.com, for example. Then you have decentralized finance, DeFi, earning interest, lending, and borrowing without banks. So we talked about this. DeFi is decentralized finance. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, digital art, collectibles, and gaming assets, which has now kind of evolved into what we're calling RWA, real-world assets. Gaming and metaverse, used in blockchain games and virtual worlds. We saw that last cycle, but we're still keeping our eye on this. There's also AI that's being used, AI agents, for cryptocurrency meets blockchain. So AI meets blockchain. That's something that you should be paying attention to moving forward as far as technological advances. Benefits of cryptocurrency: fast and cheap transactions, no middlemen, lower fees than banks. Self-executing is what a smart contract does. So it's really important to understand a self-executing contract. It doesn't need to go through a bank to approve it. It's just self-executing, and that's why it's faster and cheaper, because we've removed the middlemen. Borderless and global. So for a long time there hasn't really been a solution to send money abroad internationally. It's usually expensive, depending on if you're using ACH or wires, and so the need for something cheap like XRP or Lightning Network with Bitcoin, definitely something to pay attention to. Decentralized, no single entity controls it, as we talked about. Transparency. Financial institutions, gives access to banking services for people without banks. So as you go around the world, you realize a lot of people are unbanked. And cryptocurrency allows them to transact using their phone. It's not quite there yet. We're still waiting on it. But regulations have it in place to where it's kind of made it difficult. But crypto can do that for you. Now, risk of cryptocurrencies, price volatility. So prices go up fast and they go down fast. Bitcoin is one of the ones that's more stable these days, but it's still volatile. Scams and frauds. Some projects are scams, rug pulls. You know, you've seen this with meme coins where they get you to get all excited about the coin and then they just dump on you, right? And you're left holding the bag and your value goes from, like, say $300 down to like $10. That's common with rug pulls. And it can happen to all of us. And anyone can be sucked into it, especially if you're investing in coins outside of Bitcoin. Hacks and security risks. Exchanges and wallets can be targeted by hackers. Common sense. You guys got to be aware of that. That's why they say not your keys, not your coins. We actually made a couple of videos recently talking about how to calculate market cap in crypto, also how to find the best exchanges for Americans, what's the difference between a hot wallet and a cold wallet. If you haven't already watched those videos, I'd highly recommend it. You can simply go to the homepage here, hot wallet versus cold wallet, what is market cap, and you can see, just go onto the homepage and we've got a whole bunch of videos. Check out our playlist, Understanding Crypto. That's the one where the informational stuff is, okay? Now let's get back into the subject here. So you have how to get started with crypto. Well, you choose a cryptocurrency exchange. That's why I made that video. Top US exchanges in 2025. So Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Crypto.com, but we do a deep dive into that. You can see, though, those are the names. A lot of people just recommend Coinbase for starters. Create a wallet: hot wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or cold wallet, Ledger or Trezor. If any of that doesn't make sense, then you definitely need to watch our video that we made. So how to buy crypto: use fiat money, and basically you have to find the fiat on-ramp, which is typically an exchange. and then you would buy Ethereum or another coin directly. Store securely. Use a cold wallet for long-term storage. Use or trade crypto. Invest, stake, or use it for transactions. So there you have it, guys. As per very detailed outline that we've got from AI here, how does cryptocurrency work with my interpretation of everything to help you guys understand what it is that's being said. If there is any questions, let us know in the comments, and we will see you on the next one.